Bloody, bloody, blah. Hello, wonderful people. This is Eva speaking here from the Garden of Eve, and you are now listening to the 10-minute shit show where I talk about getting my shit together and uncrapifying my life, things like that. And today I will be talking about my medications because I have decided once again that I want to quit my medications. And I have quit my medications many times before, and usually I am able to stay off of them for quite some time, and then I go back when I have another sort of breakdown. However, I do feel like I am able to really quit now, and I think I have to take it slow, obviously. But what makes it different this time is that I really feel like I have gone through the traumatic stuff that was haunting me. I finally know that I am autistic, which was something that was, unacknowledged for many years. And I realize that I have medications that are really not suitable for my conditions and are basically harming me. And I just hate to take all that stuff because I know I don't need it. So, yeah. I came to this idea basically because I have a client whom I also want to support getting off medications, and these medications are not psychiatric medications. But I was thinking to myself, oh my god, I am so drugged and it's not good. For example, I have antipsychotics, and I'm not psychotic at all. I've never been psychotic, so I don't know why I got these medications. They just prescribe these to people as sleeping meds because normal sleeping meds are usually you have to pay for them. I guess that's the reason why they gave me antipsychotics, but I had no idea. I just trusted the doctor. And I have antidepressants. Well, I mean, these are not quite okay. I don't have a high dose anymore. And I have sleeping meds, and they just continue to prescribe me this shit, and I know that I don't want to take it, but still, when the doctor prescribes me these medications and I pick them up and I have them in my house, then it's really hard to restrain yourself. Like, the same thing happens to me when I have chocolate in my house or I have chips in my house. Like, I'm perfectly fine when I don't have it in my house, but when it's in my house, I need to take it. And so, yeah. So I really feel like at least I need to quit my sleeping meds because I know that I am able to sleep well with the antipsychotics because they knock me out. So at least I can quit the sleeping meds, so I will do that and hopefully phase out the antipsychotics and then the antidepressants, because I'm so confident right now, or lately, quite a few months already actually, although since the beginning of this year I feel super confident about myself, but not that you care, but sometimes it even scares me. So yeah, I think it's the right time, even though there is a lot going on. But I thought about using CBD oil and vaping CBD because I've been drinking CBD tea and it has been really amazing. I don't feel like a lot of it because it's a low dose, but I drink it during the day and I feel super calm, and maybe it's just, me making myself feel calm, the placebo effect, because I think it makes me feel calm, but I it doesn't really matter. I think it really helps me, and so yeah, I'm going to try CBD oil and vaping CBD oil, and maybe the CBD tea as well. I don't want to smoke pot again because I've smoked pot in the past, and sometimes it was really helpful when I had triggers from my trauma, PTSD. But the thing about pot is that, the quality really is different, and my reaction to it is different every time, also depending on the strain, etc. So I don't think that is a good idea, and I think just CBD oil, a really high dose, is going to help me. It's going to be quite expensive, so that's one thing, but I really want to invest in my health, and I want to get rid of all the medications, and I know I can do it, and I'm sorry for my psychiatrist, but yeah, I hate it, and I'm not going to take them anymore. So yeah, I keep rambling about it, and I hope this is part of me getting my shit together concerning all the meds that I'm taking, because I feel like a drug addict, and I am certain that it's not necessary. I'm not anti-psychiatric medication. When you need them and when it's really helping you, then do what you have to do, but I don't think it's really helping me, especially in the long term. So that is why I am getting that shit together, and I want to improve my coping skills, because the medications, it's so easy when you feel bad or it's hard to sleep to just take a sleeping pill, but for me that's not part of being healthy and part of healing. I want to be able to go to sleep, and yeah, then maybe that means I have to meditate more, and I have to meditate every evening, but I'm going to try it, and I will figure it out, and I will get there. So yeah, this is not any medical advice, obviously, but this is just from my experience and my struggle with staying off the medications, because every time something is wrong, or I get depressed or things like that, then the doctor or psychiatrist is very eagerly to prescribe medication, and it's hard to resist that, or especially when you're in such a state, you think, okay, everything is better than feeling depressed, but basically I just need someone to listen to me and to be compassionate when something like that happens. We all need that, and I need to be that person for myself, and I think I'm able to do that now because I have learned so much. So yeah, I'm going to try it, and I'm very determined, and I don't really care what the psychiatrist says. Sorry. So that was my rambling for today on the 10-minute shit show. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Is there anything else I want to say? Well, yeah, look me up on social media. Visit my website if you want to know more about me. www.thegardenofeve.org. So yeah, thanks for being there. Bye bye.